Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Sun is shining, look at that. Finally getting some solar, which is much needed, I tell you. Spring is just around the corner, baby. Update on the van and stuff, if you've been following me, and our breakdown and our REC shenanigans, nightmare, whatever you want to call it. Van has now got new plugs, it's got a new distributor cap, it's got new oil, it's got new filter. Wiring has been fixed. And we're running, of course. Thanks Danny boy for doing all of that for me. It's never welcome breakdowns, is it? And I tell you what, it's the #1 anxiety as a van lifer, is the van breakdown. Especially now we don't have a car. We did have 2 cars and the van. Now we have no cars, just the van for the time being. So we are heavily reliant on it. So I could not be happier that we're running, and let's hope and pray we keep going that way. All right, so today a little bit of a chat, actually, something that's been irking me, and I shouldn't have to explain myself, but I'm going to talk about it anyway. But what else I'm doing today is, and this kind of ties in with what I'm going to say, I've got a product review to do, and that's on this thing. There'll be a separate video for this, like a dedicated video for this. I know a lot of you don't like watching them for obvious reasons, but I've been sent this to do a review on and install and everything. It's a dash cam, security camera front and back, and it's handy actually because we were going to buy one, and just so happens somebody reached out, or this company 70 My, I think they're called, 70 My, and they've sent that to me. So that's what I'll be doing today. It's a lovely day to be doing it. My only worry is wiring it in, because I don't really want to be tampering with the wiring on the van after recent events, but we may be okay. I'll see what the instructions say. That's a whole different video anyway. So I'm going to get off now. I've just dropped Tracy off at work, so I'm going to get off to the park up where I can spend the day in the sunshine, because I'm under trees at the moment, and we'll get as much solar in as we possibly can. So I'll see you there. So here we are, sun is out. I don't know how much solar I'm getting actually. I'm going to check how much solar I'm getting. Hang on, only 62 watts at the moment, but it's 9 o'clock in the morning. The sun is got to come round yet, so that's going to go up, I'm sure, and keep us going, hopefully. Right, so what am I on about? What I'm on about is, what I'm going to say, irks me somewhat, I suppose, but it has been said to me recently, in a conversation with what my plans are, maybe, or our plans are, whatever, and I said, well, the ultimate goal is for us to be able to work remotely and travel. That's the ultimate goal for us. That's what we're trying to achieve. And it won't be, it won't be anytime soon, I know, but the ultimate goal is for us to be able to travel and earn money on the road and sustain ourselves. And straight away that gets shot down. Oh, that's just a pipe dream, that's never going to happen. And it just takes me back to when I decided I wanted to be a musician full-time. Same things were said to me. You can't do that, that's just a pipe dream. You'll never make money doing that. Just so happens I went on to have a 30-year career as a full-time, well, not full-time straight away, but a good 20 years full-time as a musician, and earned good money at it as well, up until the recent years where it declined, mainly because I lost interest in it. We need to do something else. This is it, perhaps. I just lost interest in it in the end. I achieved it. I achieved really what I set out to do, and despite people being so negative. And the thing is, when you get comments like that, it's easy just to be beaten down by it, but it does the opposite to me. I'm like, no, I'm going to prove you wrong. We're going to make this happen. And I don't have to explain how I earn money and things like that, but obviously I do YouTube. This is only one channel. I have other channels. I've got 2 other channels. I've got another channel which is much bigger than this channel that earns money. This channel earns a little bit of money, and we get things like this, product reviews and stuff like that. Sometimes I keep the product. I will keep this one probably. Other times we sell the product and we get money that way. I'm not going to tell people how much I'm making and stuff like that. Anyway, and also we're starting our new business, which we started a year ago actually. We did it as a trial last year. We make bespoke sinks and other things. It's called Dinky Sinks Things. Some of you may know this, some of you may not. We sold all of our stock last year, more or less. Most of it. A good 95% of it. So it was a success, and now we're going to build on that and that will be something we can do remotely as well. So it is. But what I'm trying to say is, if people didn't follow their dreams and didn't go for things that might seem impossible, a pipe dream, oh no, then nothing gets achieved. People just wouldn't do anything, you know. I know people can't get their head around it and our lifestyle choice, and we live in this van and blah blah blah, but what it's enabling us to do is enabling us to cut down our workload, concentrate on having time, because you can spend time, right, and you never get that back. You can always make more money, but time is gone. Once you've used it, it's gone. It's a very valuable thing, right? And people devalue it. And I'm not going to be the kind of person that goes through life and get too old to do anything and then be like, well, I should have done this and I should have done that, and be full of regret. So that's what I'm saying. So as far as how we are going to sustain ourselves full time, that's how we're doing it. Obviously building the YouTube channel up, which it's doing. So thank you to everybody that likes, comments, and subscribes and all that. So please do that. It helps us out. Getting the views on the videos, doing the product reviews, blah blah blah. If you like guitars and music, go and check out my other channel, links in the description as well. Okay, so I thought I'd just share that with you. So today I'm going to be doing this, installing this, and doing a whole dedicated video on it. So you'll probably see me at the end of that. I'm not going to show you on this video. Right, and I also want to add, there's nothing wrong when I say I'm not the kind of person that likes to go to a 9 to 5, go back home, and there's nothing wrong with that. If that's what makes you happy, that's what makes you happy. I'm just saying that's not what made us happy, even though we did that for a long time. People measure success by how much money they got and what properties they got and what car they drive and stuff like that. If that's how you measure your success, that's fine. That's not how we measure success. Obviously you need money. We need to make money. You've got to have money. There's no question about it. It's not our goal to become rich in that way. It's our goal to become rich in experiences, via traveling, via helping other people. So, you know, we are a Christian couple and we'd like to get into a ministry of some sort. I used to be a worship leader in a church, and I have my charity Guitars for All as well, which is got that Christian message about it. We don't speak too much about it on this channel, and I don't on my music channel either very much, but that's a separate thing. So that's another goal of ours. So it's fine. I mean, if wealth and property and cars and all that stuff is your go-to, then that's your go-to. I'm not knocking anybody's life choices, so people shouldn't knock our life choices, if that makes any sense. I think that's what I'm trying to say. And we will make it happen. It will happen for us. Because, like I said, when I'm told I can't do it, I usually do it. Anyway, I'm going to leave the video right there. Let me know what you think. I mean, I think it's a good thing to talk about, really. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please do, because we're trying to grow the channel, because it helps us with a little bit of income to realise that goal. Thanks very much for doing that, and we'll catch you in the next one. God bless you. Here's a jingle.
We'll ride these roads forever, side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take, this thing called amazing race, no chance will break.